Everyone, you're welcome. In case you are struggling to move your money from your Owealth wallet into your main Opay balance, then I guess this video is for you. You have to watch this video to the end so you don't do mistake for any reason. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. So Owealth is Opay's popular savings feature, which is integrated into the banking app that lets you earn daily interest up to 15% annually in recent updates on your funds while still having full access to withdraw it anytime you like without penalties. So many Opay users love packing extra cash there for passive income. So what you have to do for you to be able to activate this O wallet, first of all, you have to know that you have to activate the O wallet from the O pay balance. Now, if you don't activate O wealth from your Opay app, you are not going to be receiving this passive income. Now, you have to know that when your money, first of all, is in your Opay balance, which is here, it is not earning, it is just sitting there looking at you. But as soon as you activate the AutoSave, which is a feature that is integrated into this Opay banking app, your money is going to be saved automatically in your Owealth. While your money is in your Owealth balance, you can be receiving daily interest. That is one thing I want you all to understand, okay? So now, for you to be able to move your funds, in case you have accumulated a lot of funds in your Owealth and you want to move it to your Opay balance, then this is what you have to do. Pay attention. You have to first of all come to where you have this finance right here, okay? You tap on this finance button right here. All right, as soon as you tap on it, it's going to take you to the next section. So now this is where you are going to be typing next. You tap this Owealth right here. Okay, you tap this Owealth. As soon as you type this Owealth, it is going to take you right here to the next section where you can see this withdraw. Where you see this withdraw here now is where you're gonna be typing. All right, you can decide to still save it or you click on this withdraw, but we are going to be making use of this feature, which is the withdrawal, because we want to withdraw from the Owealth balance to from the Owealth to our Opay balance. Now, meanwhile, for those of you that want to activate this Owealth from your Opay to be earning passively for you, you have to click right here. Okay, you have to click right here and toggle it on. Right, but I have already been saving passively from the Opay. I've already turned it on before last 3 months. That was why I'm not going to be turning it on. But in case you want to start earning passively from the using the Owealth feature, you have to turn this on. It has to be showing on. Okay, and as soon as it is turned on, 15% is gonna be, you start earning passively, like I said, and 15% annual interest is gonna be given to you. All right, and you're gonna be receiving some stipends every day. That's the beauty of this wallet. All right, now let's go back to where we are. So here you tap on this withdraw for you to start the withdrawal process. You tap on it, it's going to take you right here. Okay, now these are, now your balance is going to show. Okay, and then you are going to see something like this. You can use your Owealth to buy airtime, transfer, pay bills, and more withdrawal, and more without withdrawing. Now you can either decide to spend the money in your Owealth right here in airtime. You can also decide to buy data or to transfer it to another Opay account, or you can either decide to send it to your bank or to another bank entirely. All right, now also there's one other thing you can also do with the Owealth. You can also transfer the money. If you don't want to use the app, you can use *955# to transfer your money from your Owealth balance to another bank in case you don't want to send it to your Opay balance. I hope this is clear enough. Good. Now, since I want to withdraw, since I want to withdraw to my Opay balance, I'm not gonna be making use of any of this feature right here, but I'm just gonna go straight to this place. I'll tap on continue to withdraw. So you tap on that, it's going to take you right here, and it's going to ask you if you really want to withdraw 25% of the balance in your Owealth, or you just want to withdraw 50% or 75% or all of the balance. If you click on all, then which means you want to withdraw everything that is in your Owealth. Okay, so I'll tap on this button, this all, and then now it's going to ask you if you want to, whenever you see this wallet and this bank account, it is simply asking you if you want to send it to your Opay balance. So you click on this, you highlight this, all right? But if you highlight this one here, it means that you want it to be sent to a different bank account entirely or another Opay balance, all right? That is the use of, that is why I'm saying these two feature right here, but we are going to be making use of just this one alone. Okay, so you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, it's going to take you right here. You can see all the balance is gonna, the balance that I just want to withdraw here is gonna be showing here. All right, so just go ahead and tap on next. As soon as you tap on next, it's gonna take you to the next place where you can now click on next. Now, like I said, always make use of this feature, okay? In case if you want to send to your Opay balance, always make use of this feature, all right? And as soon as you tap on next, the money is gonna be sent automatically to your Opay, balance. It is gonna be reflecting. Now, it is gonna ask you to insert a password of your choice. So that your Opay password is what you are gonna be inserting right here. So you have to insert your Opay balance before you can withdraw what is in your Owealth. Okay, so you tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, congratulations, your money has been sent successfully to your Opay. All right, now you can now log back into your normal Opay app, into the app, and you'll see your money sitting right there. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more insights and helpful videos, you will be notified on time. And if you have any questions, leave them at the comment section, and see you in the next video.